how do you think Filmbase?
The first impression of me visit the Filmbase office, the Filmbase company. It's really nice. The environment here is very good. The showroom is very good to see every products. I believe it's a very good company, and I believe they have a very young staff in the company, and with great ideas. I believe it's working in the right path of innovation all the time, and it's really very friendly company.
Yes. So when you see our products, how do you think them?
I think it's very quality. They have the big quality in your products. I believe you can make a lot of different things with different products you have, and I believe you can make it more better, more innovating, because you are in the path of innovation, because you are very great in that you do.
Do you have the confidence to bring our product to your country?
I believe yes, because I believe it's the right time and the right material, the good quality of material to bring it in the Greek market. It's really amazing. You can make a lot of different things for decoration, for building, for everything. I think it's the right time to bring it in the Greek market.